Ladies and gentlemen, former Mumbai Police Commissioner, the very controversial Parambir Singh, is running helter-skelter now after the Bombay High Court also has pulled him up for not discharging his duties efficiently. He was trying to point the finger at others. Now the finger is being pointed back at him. Tonight the focus is not just on the 100 crore extortion charge, but also on the timing of Parambir's claims. Here is what happened in court and then we debate.
Thrown out of his job as Mumbai Police Commissioner, he's been on a mission to take on his political masters in court. As Parambir Singh's petition was heard in the Bombay High Court, he was in for a reality check.
The Bombay High Court today slammed former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh for not filing an FIR on his explosive 100 crore charge on the Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. They pulled him up for not filing an FIR and said he should not think he's above the law or he's too high above it because he did not file an FIR. They also at several times when they were speaking about the case in a marathon hearing that continued well over 5 o'clock today said, "You were the police commissioner. Why should the law be set aside for you?" They also said you are failing in your duty if you don't file an FIR when you know an offence has been committed. Simply writing letters to the Chief Minister is not enough.
Parambir Singh's belated claims have always been questionable. When in office, he didn't raise a word. His move smacks of political opportunism. Now in court, he claims political masters are controlling the police. A charge the BJP has picked up, a charge that Pawar has denied.
After getting information, I was told he was police sub-inspector. He was suspended about 16 years back, and recently he was reinstated in service. The decision to reinstate in service was neither taken by CM or Home Minister. It was taken by CP himself.
कि वाजे इनको नियुक्त करने के लिए एपिलेट कमेटी ये परमवीर सिंह इनकी अध्यक्षता में ही थी। नियम के अनुसार उनकी अध्यक्षता में वो कमेटी होती है। उस कमेटी ने निर्णय लिया, सारे महत्वपूर्ण केसेस वाजे इनको दिए गए। क्या सरकार को यह पता नहीं था? क्या मुख्यमंत्री और गृहमंत्री सोए थे? क्या उनको इसकी जानकारी नहीं थी?
परमबीर सिंह के जो लेटर जहां पर उन्होंने महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री अनिल देशमुख के ऊपर जो एलिगेशंस लगाए थे, उसके ऊपर अब महाराष्ट्र सरकार की ओर से इंक्वायरी के लिए जो कमेटी है वो बना ली गई है, जिसमें बताया जा रहा है कि रिटायर्ड जस्टिस कैलाश चंदीवल ये इस मामले को लेकर जांच करेंगे और वहीं पर 6 महीने के अंदर रिपोर्ट सबमिट करने के लिए कहा गया था। 100 करोड़ का जो एलिगेशंस लगाया था, उसके बाद बैक टू बैक मीटिंग महाराष्ट्र सरकार के बीच में चल रही थी। साथ ही खुद जो है महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे इस सारे मामले को देख रहे थे।
Tonight, as Parambir scurries from one court to another, even he knows the truth has cornered him tonight. Let's debate.